Greetings my fellow mates. In the last video I have asked you to solve this puzzle of getting an extra piece from a plane of paper and not reducing the number of blocks or number of alignments. Well, it's a good question and many of you have answered. Many of you are right and many wrong. But I like that you have all answered. So today I'm gonna make the video for the solution of this problem. So I have already have that only piece of paper which I have already cut down in the last video. I am gonna use this paper today to make the solution of the video. So here we have the extra piece. Let's take this piece aside and let's perform the experiment once more with these leftover pieces. So I'm gonna take this alignment again and I am going to cut this down. Now while I am cutting this, please see this carefully. Now I am going to take this half here and the other half here again, and now you're gonna see one leftover piece again. No problem, we are gonna cut this piece again and we are left over with our original paper dimensions 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Well and good. Then again we will cut this piece and see now what will happen. Now again take these squares or rectangles here, and now we also got another piece here. What's the problem? Well, to answer this we have to further cut this piece here, and it might be the last piece to be cut down, and you will get the answer. It's a quite complicated problem because if this problem doesn't have a solution in real life, then you have endless number of things in the universe and you can have endless number of pieces there, and a finite thing can have endless pieces, so you are never left over to get little things. Well, I have said this sentence in a very scientific manner. Most of you haven't got it. I do also haven't got it when I first saw the solution of this problem or find out the solution of this problem. So here we have all the alignments, but what you see here is this one block has already got shorter than all the other blocks, and 1 2 3 4 5, and it's the fifth block. It has always getting shorter and shorter and shorter. Whenever you cut down these pieces here, these blocks get shorter, and so the other blocks too, which are on the fifth row. So how will this block get reduced. We have to reduce it by doing this experiment once more. By doing this experiment once more, you will get another piece. And by cutting this piece, you already have got the solution, but I will make the video complete. So now you see we have completely disappeared the fifth block, and now we are left over with 7 rows and 5 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Where does the 8th row gone? Here it is. These blocks are cut down between the metric here, but we can't arrange them here because their alignment is not same as of the gap. You see, we haven't cut down these pieces from the top. We literally cut down from the top, but we have created this gap by these pieces. These pieces have cut down from here. Now when I first made this video, I have cut only one block. That has a purpose to it. And the purpose is to manipulate your mind that the gap hasn't been created, because there's a minute difference in the dimensions of that fifth block, and your mind doesn't notice minute changes while you are seeing bigger puzzles. So these 5 blocks have the fifth column, have the fifth row, and so here you got the answer. 5 pieces, 5 blocks of fifth row. Here you got the answer. Hope you enjoyed this puzzle, and by this puzzle you can do many fun things with your friends. You can manipulate them with the first step of this puzzle. They don't see the minute difference, they only see the bigger puzzle, and their mind reads, what are we gonna do to make this one piece fit into this? Now we can't fix these 5 pieces here, because if we fix them in between, they are not gonna fix, because gap distance has other dimensions and this block has other, but we can fix them here. Now we have 8 blocks vertically and 5 blocks horizontally. So this puzzle is solved now. Do this with a chocolate, you will have more fun than doing this with paper. I don't have one, so I have just done this with paper, and by paper you can understand this concept very clearly. I may hope you enjoyed it. I'll signing off. Goodbye. Thanks.